Hello, I'm Miss Natalie, and this is Mr. Heath.
Welcome to Building My Veggie Garden.
Hi everyone! In this episode we welcome the Fogelmans to the team. They have a butterfly garden and will share with us what veggies we can plant in it. What is a butterfly garden? A garden designed to create, improve, and maintain the environment which butterflies are born and live. All the plants in this type of garden provide a variety of colorful flowers that produce nectar, a sweet liquid that feed butterflies, bees, birds, and all kinds of pollinators. This garden also has plants that feed the caterpillar stage of the butterfly's life cycle. Why is this type of garden important? The number of pollinators is decreasing. Plants depend mostly on pollinators to help themselves reproduce. And people and animals depend on plants' reproduction for food and shelter. If plants cannot reproduce, it will affect the way we live. This is why it is important that we help pollinators survive and make our gardens butterfly friendly.
This is our butterfly garden. We're going to show you some of the plants in it. This is a tomato plant, and they grow very small tomatoes. We have a big tomato plant, and they grow bigger tomatoes.
It's about the only vegetables we've managed to grow so far, but we're going to try some new ones today, I think.
Yeah. This is a sunflower. We have a jatropha.
This one is great for butterflies of pretty much all kinds. Monarchs, fritillaries, sulfurs, cassia blues, they all love this one. So if you're looking for a great butterfly plant, that's a good one.
This is a cassia. And butterflies, the sulfur butterflies really like the cassia. This is heather. The bees really like it.
Yeah, bees love the heather. Here we've got an arch and we've got two different kinds of passion flower on it. I don't think we have any passion flowers out right now, but the fritillary butterflies especially love these, and sometimes the zebra longwing butterflies as well. They lay their eggs and there's caterpillars all over them earlier in the spring, and they eat all the leaves off. It's amazing.
These are giant milkweeds. The monarch butterflies really like them. And these, we have tropical milkweeds, and the monarchs really like those also.
Right.
And we think we are going to expand our garden by planting carrots.
What are carrots? Carrots are root vegetables that were first found in Persia, or what we know now as Afghanistan, around the year 900 AD. Orange is the most common color, but carrots can also be purple, yellow, red, and white. The original carrots were purple and yellow. Orange carrots were developed in Central Europe around the 15th or 16th century.
Now we're going to plant our carrots, red ones and orange ones. But first I have to put some dirt into the bucket.
I want to fill it up pretty full so the carrots have plenty of room to grow down, because you want your long carrots. While she's putting in soil, I'm going to put in worm castings, which is a very good fertilizer, basically, very natural fertilizer. It's worm poop, and plants love worm poop. So we're going to add this in as well.
Now we have to even it out by spreading all the good worm castings into the soil. There, now we're ready to plant our seeds. You just want it to be a finger length deep. And now we're going to fill this side with orange carrots.
These are orange carrots. These seeds are super tiny. These are the red carrot seeds, but you can see they're like little, almost like grains of pepper almost. There you go. Again, oops, that should probably be enough. Put 2 or 3 maybe in each hole. Ooh, we're gonna have tons of carrots.
Yep.
Little carrot communities in each hole. Mommy carrot, daddy carrot, baby carrot.
Sister carrot and brother carrot.
Perfect.
Now we want to do the same thing with the dirt that we did on the other side. And now we water them. Make sure you give it plenty of water so that it grows really well. And now we're going to put a bit of mulch on
hold the moisture,
the top.
spread it out evenly. It'll help hold the moisture inside the soil. Plants need a nice moist environment to grow.
And this is how you plant carrots.
Carrots grow better in cool temperatures. In subtropical or tropical areas, planting the seeds in early spring or late fall is recommended. Before planting the seeds, go down 12 inches into the soil and break up lumps and take out the rocks, bark, and trash. Carrots need loose soil conditions to produce a quality crop. The soil should be rich in compost and organic fertilizer. It should be sandy and well drained. If planting in raised beds or pots, ensure the containers are at least 2 feet deep. Carrots need full sunlight. The seeds should be planted about a 1/2 inch deep and about 1.5 inches apart. It's recommended not to do transplanting for carrots. They don't like their roots disturbed. Light mulching helps, retains moisture, and keeps weeds and pests away. Keep the soil moist with frequent shallow waterings. Carrots may take 2 to 3 weeks to germinate and 2 to 4 months to mature. When seedlings are 1 inch tall, thin out the extra plants with scissors to keep them 3 inches apart. Do not pull them out to prevent damage to the roots of the ones you are keeping. The older they get, the more water they need. Weed constantly but carefully not to disturb the carrot roots. After a couple weeks from germinating, use coffee grounds to fertilize. Carrots are ready to harvest when they're 1/2 inch in diameter. Smaller carrots taste better. To get seeds, leave carrots in the ground and the tops will flower. Watch out for pests and diseases. Carrots rust flies are very common and may ruin your crop without you noticing. The black swallowtail butterfly will lay eggs on the leaves of the carrots. The eggs will turn into caterpillars that chow down on the leaves. Do not kill these caterpillars. They eat the greens, but do not damage the carrots. These caterpillars will transform into beautiful butterflies that will make your garden butterfly friendly.
So Natalie, we've worked pretty hard. It's hot out here in the Florida sun. I think we need to take a break, have some snacks. My friend Sibby brought over some special carrot treats, some popsicles, I think some cookies made out of carrots. So I'm looking forward to trying them out. How about you?
Yeah, I think they're gonna be really yummy.
Carrots are loaded with nutrients, vitamin A, K, C, potassium, calcium, and iron. They benefit the eyes, help prevent cancer, and improve the heart's health. They boost the immune system and help manage blood sugar levels. Be careful not to eat carrots in excess. It can cause your skin to turn orange or yellow color.
Sibby made us some really interesting and fun stuff here. We've got some little oatmeal, cheese, and carrot hearts. We've got some more cookie kind of carrot oatmeal with some chocolate chips and raisins in them. Sounds delicious. And we've got carrot popsicles. So those have carrots, coconut milk, and orange juice in them. So Natalie, which one do you think you're gonna try first?
I think I'm gonna try a carrot popsicle.
Is it good?
Carroty. Yum.
It's yummy?
Uh-huh.
And I'm gonna try the cookies.
How is it?
Very good.
The popsicles and the cookies really look delicious. We'd like to thank Keith and Natalie for showing us their butterfly garden, and we want to thank you for joining us today. In our next show, we'll have more about veggies and recipes just for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep fighting the battle of the veggies.